So that's a new fence for my Metabo miter saw. As I said in the review, I wasn't happy with the fence that was on there, and well, I still had the old fence from the Ferm that was on here. We made that, I don't know, 10 years ago, even longer, and I thought it would be a good idea to put this fence back and adjust it to the Metabo, and so this works. I made a little stop block for it, and the good thing is that I can take different kind of measurements, because if I'm all the way here, I've got about 1.20 meters on the Metabo that I can do, but when I have to do longer pieces, I can use the Vonroc and still use this stop block, because I can lift this one up and then it goes all the way there. They are in line with each other. It's a little project, but it was a lot more work than I thought, especially to get these exactly in 90 degrees and lined up, but it's done. So another project to be struck off the list. I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. You see, I used all that stuff that was already here. Made my own T-slab out of a piece of oak. Anything is possible. And before I say goodbye, I want to give you a tip about a young friend of mine. His name is Yannick, and he's 14 years old, and he has a YouTube channel. Now you will be amazed how he works in his little shed that he built on his own, and he's really into steel work and other things. We did some projects together. We made a guitar and things like that, but now he's got his own channel and makes a few nice things on there. So I'll put you a link up here and in the description, and maybe you can check him out. It's nice to see a 14-year-old be so creative and hands-on. I'm going to get on with another project and hope to see you in the next video. At the logo.